Hello guys, welcome back to my channel of Center Building a Happy Home Together. So guys, what's up? I hope everyone is good. Yeah. Anyway, nothing much. I'm going to do a cooking video and I just figured I should say hello. At least you should see my face. Just as you'll be seeing the food later and you won't see the face again and just be hearing the voice. So guys, let me first and foremost say hi to you guys before we get to the kitchen. So are you ready to go with me? Yeah. So guys, let's dive into the kitchen. And there is what I want to prepare for today's video. Because actually I've been preparing this particular meal. So I feel today, why don't I share this recipe with my YouTube family? Yes, because they are the main deals. So see you later. Let's go to the kitchen. So here on the plate, like you already seen, you can see my zucchini, my bell pepper, the yellow and the red one, and of course my carrots and my white onions. Though I'm going to be adding red onions to this very one later. And of course you can see my turkey. This is actually turkey, so I'm going to be using this. And of course I have my spices. You can see my nutmeg, my powdered vegetable maggi, my rosmarino and curry. So here I just chopped the onions, white and red onions, and of course here you have this chopped zucchini, and of course my chopped carrots. And why I chop these things, the meat I'm going to put straight on the fire. Here already the meat is cooked. Here is my pot already with a bit of oil in it to kind of fry the meat a bit. And I'm usually going to be chopping this later into smaller pieces, and chop out of into smaller pieces while I chop the rest into a bit bigger pieces, so that at least someone can have something to say. So right away I'm also going to be frying the onions, and as you can see, then I'm going to add everything straight and direct. There's no going down, no wasting of time. So I'm putting straight my carrots. I'm going to add also every other vegetables I've chopped, and I'm just going to probably put everything and just allow it to steam for as long as I want it, or it will get soft just the way I want it. Okay, don't mind this camera, okay? You see you see my tripod just had a problem when I was ready to trying to set up the camera. There was one to do this video, so I decided to hold it with my hands and do this video while doing it with one hand, and I'm holding it with one hand, I'm taking with one hand, so I don't mind the shaking of this camera. So also I've added the zucchini and everything is in the pot already. So right away I'm going to spice it also with the same spices ingredients I told you, the spices like the nutmeg, the rosmarino, a bit of curry, and of course I'm going to be adding salt for like you see now, and this other ingredient this is the nutmeg, and of course a bit of my grounded powder and maggi as well. So here we go with the curry, and I'm adding very little because I really don't want to feel spicy. And meanwhile we've already added each of these on the meat, so because I'm going to be adding the water from the meat also to it, because it is also good. It is good. So and then I'm just going to allow it to steam. So I'm adding here the water for the meat. You see it. So with this, I'm going to allow it to cook. I'm not going to add more water. That is already enough. You know, it is vegetable and it has its own water coming out of it. So you just watch. You're going to see the water has started popping. That started popping out already. So I'm going to cover. And now you see it is almost like, you know, it is almost turning out to be just the way we want it. Here I'm going to be adding the top turkey. You see the one I chopped very small. I do this particular one to show you so that you can do it with it. I do it like that mostly often, but today I feel like okay, I should make the meat a bit bigger, so at least we have something to chew meat. We Africans, the way we eat meat is different from the way the whites eat. Okay, so everything is almost ready with everything already inside with this meat. I'm just going to allow it to steam for another 3 minutes. So the whole thing, the sauce gets soaked into the meat itself, and everything just looks good and tastes fantastic, fabulous. So guys, are you going to try your own and tell me how it tastes? It tastes really nice and it's really rich. It is good, it is natural, and it's easy digest. Okay, so here we go guys, here we go. I'm going to allow it, like I said, 2 minutes, and here we go. Everything is already ready. So I'm going to be eating this with my white rice. Yes, so I always prepare this in the place of my white rice, in the place of my stew for white rice, and you can use it as well for your pasta, yam, what have you. You can have it guys. Here we are on the table already with the food, and you see the beauty. It's so beautiful, and it's as tasty as the beauty of the food itself. It's so tasty. It's so nice guys. So do your own, and also leave a comment at the comment section. Share this video, give a thumbs up, and guys, see you in my next video. Bye.